Love you. What?
How was your day?
It was good. Okay, so I just got off of school, and you'll never guess what I found at school today. This. It's a floppy disk. Found it while walking on my way to lunch. I found it on the ground outside. I'm gonna check to see what's on it. There's this piece of film there. My friend told me that, Zach told me that, if you look into the film and see yourself, that means there's nothing on it. Or something like that, I don't know. So, I think I'm gonna, thankfully, my computer has floppy disk drives. So, I'm going to put one in there. I'm gonna put it in there. Actually, I think I'm gonna do this with the thing. Yeah, I need both hands to be free. Holy crap. Holy crap. I don't think it'll recognize it, so let's go to my computer. My computer. If it'll load up. Okay. Okay, so there it is. Let's see what's on it. The disk in drive A is not formatted. Do you want to format it now? No. Huh. I guess there's nothing on it. There's the drive. Sorry, I accidentally hit the record button. There's the drive right there. Huh. I guess there really is nothing on it. Well, this is interesting. Or no, what? Okay. The heck? The disk in drive A is not formatted. Do you want to format it? No, I don't. That would mean erasing whatever's on it. Never mind. Okay, well, I guess maybe something's on it. I think probably something's on it, it's just, I don't know what. Huh. Open. No, I don't want to freaking format it. Explore. No. Maybe I have to format it or something. I don't know, I'll look it up. Come on. How the heck are you supposed to get these out? What the fudge? Okay, hang on.
Yeah, but I live here. My name is I've been here for a long time. How many months? But 5, I'm gonna take a small little nap.
Okay.
Fishermen have quite an effect on our undersea friends.
SpongeBob, have you finished swabbing the deck?
Almost. There's a nasty barnacle on your table line.
They're back, you idiot! They showed with real eyes!
I'm working.
It's not leaving, you're just taking a break. We're going to the carnival, going to the carnival.
Kitty, I can't do homework with you on my desk. Key. 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 Kipu. 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 You need to get off. Here, come on. Kitty, okay, bro. Kitty. Kitty. It's all fine, just... Yeah. But, stop hitting me in the face. You can get off the chair. You can do it. Yeah.
Oh, God dang it. No, now is not the time for that.
Just trying to get it out.
Trying to get it out.
It's stuck or something.
It's stuck! Wah!
I don't think you can get it out, dude.
My hands are all slippery. Hold on.
From what?
I had Chipotle!
Is this the button?
No, dude, that's the CD.
Oops.
How did old people do this?
Maybe it's because I just got it stuck.
Nah. If you would have gotten it stuck, it would have been broken.
Wait, did you almost get it out?
Kind of.
Here, wait. Here, move your hair out of the way. What are you doing? Dude, don't do that. Don't
Why?
do that. You're breaking it open. Dude, that's not gonna work. It's already out.
And it's like next thing you know, I just pull it out like it's on. You were saying, just dang it.
Here, I don't think you should be trying it anymore. Dude, you can stop now.
If I can get a little bit of a grip on it, just a little bit.
Dude, I think you already have a grip on it. I think it's stuck or something.
Hold on, wait a minute. Yep, something definitely broken there, because I can open it a little bit.
Yeah, it's not broken. It's just... Dude, can you stop? Just leave it.
You will never see what's on that disc again. What are you doing on my bed? Ding! Finally got the floppy disk unstuck. I used this. I put it in the top of where the floppy disk was. I put it on the top of the floppy disk, and it worked. Did it to the top of the thing, and it unhooked it, and I got it out. So yeah, now I know what to do just in case. I don't think anything is damaged though.